Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Bukhari. Today we are going to work on Solid Edge V20 software. I am going to make an extruder. For this purpose I am click on the solid part. The solid part interface appears. Now I am going to select the helical protrusion and select this vertical plane as my working plane. Firstly I select, I am going to make the line which will act as the axis of rotation. Click on the select this line and make it approximately 150 millimeters and to move it a bit. Now I am going to make the profile of the threads. Now I am going to select this and now I am going to select this sharp edge. Okay. Select all of this and a bit below. Okay, now I click on axis rotation and select this line as my axis rotation. Click on return, click on pan to move it a bit. Now I'm going to select this top point. Now I'm going to select the pitch as 2 meters and number of turns. Okay, I click on next and I click on finish. Now we are going to make the extruder bar in it. For this purpose I am going to select the simple protrusion part, select this vertical plane, going to select the circle, turn. Now I am going to select the protrusion of stand, and here it is this side and here it is this side. Okay, now I'm going to click on finish and then cancel, and as you can see here is our view. Now I'm going to color it a bit. Click on format and part painter, click on yellow and select feature and select protrusion 1 and then select red and protrusion 2. As you can see this is now ready. If you have any queries you can ask anytime. Okay, Allah Hafiz.